In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the annotation tool in Google Slides. Whether you're highlighting key ideas during a talk or jotting quick notes while teaching, annotations can make your presentation clearer and more engaging. Let's walk through how to turn them on, choose a color, draw on your slides, and quickly clear everything when you're done. Start by opening your presentation and clicking Present to start the slideshow. This puts your deck in full screen mode, which is where the annotation tools live. If you don't see any controls at first, that's normal. Move your mouse slightly, and you'll notice the on-screen toolbar appear near the bottom left corner of your screen. Glide your cursor to that bottom left area, click the three-dot menu, and select Turn on the Pen. This activates the annotation tool so you can draw directly on the slide that's currently on screen. Once the pen is on, you'll be able to pick a color. Choose from red, black, blue, or green. Pick the one that stands out best against your slide's background so your audience can see your marks clearly. For example, red or blue often contrasts well on light slides, while green can add emphasis without overpowering text. Now you're ready to draw or write. Click and drag your mouse to annotate. You can underline important phrases, circle key visuals, sketch quick arrows to guide attention, or write short labels for clarity. Keep your movements steady and deliberate so lines appear smooth and easy to read. If you're explaining a process, consider building your annotations step by step as you speak, so viewers can follow your logic in real time. And if the controls fade away while you're presenting, just nudge your mouse to bring them back. When it's time to remove your annotations, you have two easy options. Click the eraser icon and choose Erase All to instantly clear everything you've drawn on the slide. This is a quick way to reset the canvas before moving on. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Shift+A to clear all ink at once. Either method removes your annotations without changing the original content of your slide, so your design stays intact. That's all you need to confidently use the annotation tool in Google Slides. With a few clicks, you can highlight ideas, guide attention, and keep your audience focused exactly where you want them.